front of the text like this. Okay. Nothing is in the frame though. So how about rotating the camera? Now if I rotate the camera from this scene, from this window, I press R and I rotate, you see that the effect is not really what I wanted. It's rotating along the x-axis, but is creating that diagonal movement, not really what I want. Alright, there are a couple of different options here. Actually more than a couple, but let's move this. And you see this toolbox here? This toolbar, actually. Okay, this is basically the 3D transform, and this is what it shows this gizmo here. Now if I click, you can see that it's highlighted, it's pressed. If I click again, if I click on the hand just, the gizmo goes away in this window. It's still available in this window. And now you can see that basically this effect is local. But I can disable it, enable it, and disable it as I like. Why would you disable that? Because sometimes the gizmo gets in the way. So you want to remove it. Okay. But there is this other possibility here. There is a circle, which is the icon for the rotate manipulator. And I can just click on this, and now I have a rotate widget. Ooh, so now I can take my camera, clicking on this axis, and then I can click on this red axis. Isn't that nice? And then they say Blender is difficult. I don't know how can you make it any easier. Oh, I know. I can click on the translate manipulator while holding the shift. It's like when you select multiple words, multiple characters in a word processor, you press shift to select multiple areas at the same time. You shift click on this manipulator. Now we have the rotate and translate manipulator. So I can click on one of the axes, move the camera down, move the camera sideways, and then rotate it a little bit to create that, dramatic angle, and click like this. Okay, we're gonna bring it down and have this nice 3D effect. Well, let's move it a little bit sideways and rotate for compensating the offset, and maybe just a little more. Now we are talking about 3D text. Well, we still have a lot of space in the frame. Let's come closer a little bit. Nice. All right.